Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas from class 8 at New Abhinava Public School. Recently, I discovered something fascinating while helping some old silverware. You know those fancy spoons lose their shine? Yes, we found a way to make them look brand new again. It all starts with a tarnished spoon that through the process called electroplating can regain its luster. Imagine placing the spoon in a special liquid and full of tiny metal particles in it and then passing electricity through it. This process causes the metal particles to stick to the spoon and form a shiny layer like a superhero suit. Electroplating isn't just for a spoon, it is a secret weapon for jewelers too. They coat rings and necklaces with gold or platinum to enhance their appearance and protect them from scratches. Even in our everyday gadgets, electroplating plays a vital role. Many circuit boards in tablets have a thin layer of gold to ensure they function correctly and resist rust. Additionally, the shiny part of the car is often coated with chromium. They provide both aesthetic appeal and durability. Electroplating reveals how science is intricately woven in our real world. It's amazing something so simple can have a significant impact. So the next time if you encounter a shiny spoon or a sparkling piece of jewelers, remember that there is a scientific magic behind it.